Hey everyone, well I'm so excited to bring this video to you. So earlier on Facebook and on my social media platforms I put a video up about the new book coming out by my friend Grant Skeldon, which is called The Passion Generation. Well, my copy just came in today, so I'm going to unbox it for you and show you some of the things in the book real quick and show you some of the things that you can look forward to when you read it. And I encourage you to go get your copy on November 6th. It's going to be really good. So here is my copy of The Passion Generation. I am so excited to read this book. So kind of walk you through some of the things that you'll see in here, kind of the things that you can expect. So this is a book designed for not only people who work with millennials, but people who are millennials themselves. So people like myself, many of you watching this as well. So what to expect, we're going to talk about discipling millennials. Grant talks about what millennials look for in a church. He also talks about, let me go to the next page here. This is going to be, it has a chapter that's titled Helpful for Parents, Helpful for Pastors, Helpful for Business Leaders, and Helpful for Millennials, for us. So this is a very good book. I encourage you to go get your copy. Again, November 6th, The Passion Generation, Grant Skeldon. He's an amazing guy, the founder of Initiative Dallas. It's an honor to be a part of what he's doing at Initiative Dallas. Whenever I go to one of their events, I'm always impressed by not only the millennials, us millennials coming together and worshiping God and growing in our purpose together, but also to see what other people are doing to partner with us in this effort. So this is a book, you're not going to want to miss this one. This is going to be very powerful. Get your copy November 6th. I'll have more info of where you can get it later on here, but this is a book that you definitely want to be a part of this. If you want to impact this next generation, if you're in this next generation and you want to impact the world, this is the book right here, The Passion Generation. Grant, keep up the great work. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud to be a part of this. And again, if you got your copy, let's read it. Let's share the word on spreading this book, because this is very vital in this generation today. So thank you for watching, and again, stay tuned for more updates. God bless.